All right, we are starting out with quite the soaker across 5 country this morning. Shower activity is shifting across the river valley for us now. We're drying out in northwest Arkansas, Ouachitas. We're seeing the rain starting to pick up right now. Again, the more intense storms were coming out of southeastern Kansas, southwestern Missouri. As the activity has overall shifted further south, it has continued to weaken. Still some pockets of lightning and heavier rainfall. We were looking towards the north late yesterday. Told you that's where the storms would get going. And we were going to be on the southwestern edge of the brunt of this activity. Again, a lot of that in Missouri and now in north central, northeastern Arkansas. How far southwest was it going to go? Came far southwest enough to give us all, I think everybody's probably seen at least one shower or downpour, even in the river valley where it starts to break up a little bit. Everybody's getting at least a sprinkle here this morning. This is the area that, going back to last Friday, really doesn't need much rainfall whatsoever, but you get north of I-40 and a good soaking has certainly been needed, so that's good news. Came in a little stronger than we wanted. The initial first wave, this activity, I know it looks intense, had a lot of lightning, few pockets of small hail, but was well below severe limits. That last cluster that came through really intensified quickly as it crossed the state line. How many times have we said that in the past? And then produced some damaging winds, likely some strong wind gusts. 50 to 63 miles per hour. Been updated here, 63 mile per hour gust at Drakefield. That strong wind came straight south, crossed 412, west side of Fayetteville, down towards the Farmington area, down towards Drake. This is the area that likely saw the majority of the power outages. Still seeing plenty of power outages out around likely the XNA Highfill area down towards 412 from that cluster of storms that came through. That is now off towards the south, still lingering a few isolated downpours and lightning strikes for Bella Vista, North Bentonville, over to Pea Ridge and Garfield. Spotty showers transitioning towards Madison County. We're in a little bit of a break right now. Huntsville, heavier rain has shifted to the southeast. Some spotty thunderstorms in the Boston Mountains. Across the I-40 corridor, we've got scattered thunderstorms across Sequoia County. Salisal seeing some rain. You got a break on your way. Could still get a lingering shower, but the brunt of the activity shifting to your south, moving all the way down into LaFleur County from Pocola to Podo up to Fort Smith Van Buren, seeing the thunderstorms picking up. Greenwood, we've got some sprinkles in the area. Heavy showers working through the Chester down towards Alma. Mulberry seeing some heavy rain. Again, a little closer look. Pocola, you got a break now. Thunderstorms to your northwest. 540 if you're about to hit 540 in Sebastian County. Heads up to you. Thunderstorms are moving in the Van Buren area as well in Crawford County. And then Clarksville over to Pope County. A lot of heavy rainfall right here, kind of lingering, training over the same areas. Look how quickly that thunderstorm pulsed up right there. A lot of lightning down around Knoxville, along I-40 there in southeastern Johnson County. Scattered thunderstorms Logan County, down into Scott, and LaFleur County gets a little bit more isolated. Future track radar taking the shower activity, shifting it south. Again, a few lingering isolated thunderstorms will be possible through mid-late morning. We're going to be drying out, though, increasing sunshine from northwest to southeast. Hot and humid afternoon. We saw those temperatures jump into the mid-90s yesterday, a few upper 90s. I think that's where we'll be today. We're looking at mostly mid-90s up to around 97 degrees. And then late evening or late afternoon into the evening, isolated thunderstorms going to try to fire up parts of northwest Arkansas, Missouri, back towards Tulsa. And then we're going to be looking out towards the west for thunderstorms to develop and try to move out of Oklahoma into northwest Arkansas going into the overnight hours and early morning hours. Make sure you tune in with Chief Meteorologist Matt Standridge later on this evening. He'll have the latest on those thunderstorms developing, especially out in Oklahoma. Where are they heading? How intense is it looking? We had plenty of instability develop yesterday with the heat and humidity. We'll have more instability develop. The sooner we get that sunshine, the more rapid that instability will be building as we go through the afternoon. Highs today, again, mid-90s. You factor in the mugginess. It'll be feeling around 105, possibly up to 109 northwest Arkansas, and then 105 to 110 for a good portion of the river valley, and especially parts of eastern Oklahoma have a better shot to be above 110. Take precautions, stay hydrated, take breaks. We stay in this pattern. Overnight shower, thunderstorm chances Thursday night, Friday morning, Friday night, Saturday morning, and then we get spotty shower chances on Sunday with drier, hotter conditions building in the first half of next week.
It seems like now that